Apple pronounces that iOS 15 will bring more powerful features. Do you want to try it first? Here comes iOS 15 beta. But how to download and install iOS 15 beta without developer account or computer? Just follow us. Make sure iOS 15 is compatible with your device. Then, for data safety, I suggest you to back up your device first. Go to Safari. Go ahead to betaprofiles.com. You will see iOS 15 beta profile. Tap Install Profile. Tap Install Anyways. Tap Allow to download the profile. Once the profile is downloaded, click Close. And go to Settings. Here you can see Profile downloaded. Tap it. Tap Install. And restart. Now, open Settings again. Go to General. Select Software Update. You can see iOS 15 Developer Beta. Tap Download and Install. Tap Install now. And just wait. When the hello screen appears, you can unlock your device and enjoy iOS 15 beta.